Have you ever wondered what it would be like to rush down the tallest water slide in North America? Well, you don't have to wonder anymore because I did it. It's called Daredevil's Peak, and the name is fitting, trust me. Standing at a whopping 135 feet high, Daredevil's Peak is located in the Bahamas at Coco Cay Beach. I set sail with Royal Caribbean on the Navigator of the Seas to Coco Cay to see what all the hype was about and to conquer Daredevil's Peak myself. From the top, the slide looks pretty intimidating, but the ride down actually only lasts about 20 seconds because you're sliding at speeds of up to 7 meters per second. That's about 16 miles per hour for those of you wondering. Daredevil's Peak is totally harmless though. It's inspected daily, and the park has a staff of more than 100 trained lifeguards to keep swimmers safe. The slide is even built to withstand a Category 5 hurricane. Now for the fun part. What was my experience like going down Daredevil's Peak? Well... So, water slides apparently aren't my thing, but this is one water experience I'll never forget.
Are you okay? Are you okay?